What's up, guys? Welcome to another Broke Misfits video. Today is a big day. Let me show you guys on my phone. I meant to have this preloaded. Ooh. Okay, hang on. Bad way to start out the video. We hit 1,000 subscribers, and I always said as soon as we hit 1,000 subscribers, we'll start the turbo build on my Mustang here. On my 2003 Mach 1, and I've made lots of videos, lots of clickbait videos. People are very upset, tons of dislikes, but I had to do what I had to do, so can't beat me up. But I got one of the last big final things I needed to get started on the turbo build, and here it is. Boom. It is a teamz K-member. It's got the coilover kit up front. Got my A-arms in this box down here. Got these bad boys too. And I've been out here in my garage stripping down the Mustang, getting her ready, because this weekend, oh yeah, got the radiator out and everything, shakers off, that looks weird. Intakes off, all the hoses off, everything's drained except the oil. I still got to do that. But it's happening. Some buddies of mine are coming over to help me, and we're gonna get started on the build. It's finally happening this winter. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss it. And hope you guys enjoy this little install video. I'm not gonna like show you how or anything. I'm just gonna show you guys us doing it and having a good time. And I just wanted to say a big shout out to Interstate Performance. They're one of our sponsors. Make sure you check them out on Instagram, and make sure make sure you check out this guy too. All right, so Interstate Performance, thank you guys for sponsoring this video. And also Burnt Weiner, they sponsored this video too, so that's pretty cool. And hope you guys enjoy. Also, guys, real quick, I don't want to do a super long intro, but like I always do, and just chit chat. But shout out to the guys that are coming over and helping me with this build. I couldn't do it without them. I've had the car for 5 years, but this is like my first time like actually really getting into something like this. So if you struggle with anxiety and stuff about doing this stuff, me too. And but I'm powering through that, and we're gonna tear into it, and we're gonna enjoy it. And I already have been enjoying it, actually, coming back here in the garage and working on it. It's been really fun, actually. So I'm super excited to finally put a turbo on it. It's what I've wanted to do since I bought the car. And that's that, guys. So enjoy the video. What's up, guys? It is the next day, and I got the shock struts out, caliper off, everything disconnected, except I'm struggling with this little knuckle here. I can't get that out, so I am working on that right now. The boys should be here today at some point, and yeah, we'll drop the K-member. I don't really know what's involved. We're gonna figure it out, and I'm gonna keep working on that, and I'll keep you guys updated. But yeah, it's happening. And we got all the fluids to keep us going. Oh yeah, That's the good stuff right there. That'll keep us going today. That will, you know, keep our spirits high and get this job done right away. Ooh, also guys, if you want to see more videos on this, check out our old videos. And if you want to see, if this is like the first video you're seeing with the Mach 1, there's lots of other videos on our YouTube channel with the Mach 1. So go ahead and check those out. And then you guys can keep up with this build. And yeah, and we'll, guys, I finally got it off. It just took some heat and a little bit of liquid courage. That was actually the whole problem. Once I had a beer, boom, came right off, no problem at all. So that's good. Now I still got to do the other side, but heat and beer, we're in the clear. All right guys, old K member is out. There it is. And then now, since that's out, we're gonna go ahead and take the header bolts off and get the H pipe off, and then put the turbo headers on, since we got all this room now to get to it. Okay guys, those are the turbo headers. Since we got, oh, you can't really see, but we got the old headers off. So we're gonna go ahead and put on the turbo headers. And yeah, we're making good progress. Going by pretty quick, pretty smooth. K member bolted in on, oh, and let me get my phone out. Oh yeah, headers in. What would you call that? Header, or it's a header? It's a header. Turbo header. That's what you call it. Then look at all this piping. Pipe fittings. Oh my gosh. Ready to get on. Good to go. You can see it from here. That's crazy. Now if only we had more eBay. Yes.
I could just hear you. Look at that spin boy.
I don't know how it goes on like this.
Yep. Yeah.
Oh no.
Nope. Turn it. Go sideways. Yep. Nope.
Okay.
Yep.
Oh. Oh. Oh, the girls are coming out.
Oh, dang it.
I can already feel the drizzle.
Something like that. God dang it.
Cut. And back. Damn.
It's not.
See that?
You heard me?
Yeah. Coming to check it out. This is it.
I am. Brought my wine.
Can I have my phone, please?
Ew.
Okay.
This tastes nasty.
Good. Don't eat any of them.
Go ahead. Alright guys, it's the next day. We ended up calling it quits once we got both headers on, the K members on, and all bolted up. I had to order new header bolts because the original, oh, I can actually show you. So these studs came off of the stock manifolds, and that little solid section without the threads doesn't go in deep enough because of the thickness of the stock manifold. And the new turbo header is not the same. The turbo header is thinner, so I had to order a bolt that is threaded all the way so that it will suck it all the way tight. But they are in position. They got a couple bolts on both sides, so just by myself, once those come in, I can just, you know, pull one out, put the new one in, suck those tight. I think I'm gonna pull off this pipe here just to get it out of the way, because I do have to pull this whole face off. I guess you guys can't really see, but I do have to pull the whole face off to get to my oil pump gears that I gotta do as well. But I feel like we made really good, there's one header right there. I feel like we made really good progress last night. Can't thank the guys enough for helping. It was awesome. They were a great help. We worked really fast and we had a really good time doing it. And yeah, so now today I think I'm just gonna kind of button up the stuff and here, get things back in order, and then try figuring out how these go together. Supposedly they work with stock struts, but I'm gonna have to do some research to figure that out. But I have a few things to order, some V-bands and those bolts I ordered. I gotta order a oil filter relocation kit. Got a couple things to do. So, but I don't know if I'm gonna make this just one episode or what's up. But we'll see. Keep you guys updated as we go here.